was happy in the haze of a drunken hour, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. I was looking for a job and then I found a job, and heaven knows I'm miserable now in my life. Why do I give valuable time to people who don't care if I cry? Two lovers entwined pass me by, and heaven knows I'm miserable now. I was looking for a job and then I found a job, and heaven knows I'm miserable now in my life. Oh, why do I give valuable time to people who don't care if I
Ah, tá sendo filmado aí.
É, estamos fazendo as filmagenzinhas aqui pelo local, mostrar pra galera lá.
Ah, tudo bem. Eu tô vendo a...
asked of me at the end of the day, Caligula would have blown.
Pois é, aqui é o barco do seu Pepe, que é espanhol, que mora no Brasil já há bastante tempo.
Pô, aqui por Carinho há uns 5 anos.
Em Trinidade?
Pô, a Trinidade a gente permissão para fazer algumas reparos, tá? Não é muito bom para ficar.
At people who I'd much rather take in the eye. I was happy in the haze of a drunken hour, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. Oh, you've been in the house too long, she said, and I naturally fled. Oh, why do I give valuable time to people who don't care if I
Ah, não!
and I wait.
Massa que esse monte de